Hey, what's up, guys? It's your boy Walter, and today we're summoning the Antichrist.
Got the pentagram on the floor. Let's see that thing do it.
Holy shit, this is the craziest shit I've ever seen in my life. God damn, it's just coming out the floor. Whoa, what the? He's got lights?
Watashi wa Fujimoto Tatsuki deshu.
Whoa, Tatsuki Fujimoto, I love your work. What's coming up in Chainsaw Man?
Denji ga asa o korosu.
What the fuck? That shit's not funny, Tatsuki Fujimoto.
それから私はレゼを連れ戻して、天地に彼女を爆射させ、そして時間の悪魔のおかげで陰に感じるもののためにそれを追体験するつもりです。
Yeah, I don't like this. I'm putting the light down. Yeah, it's just not funny, Tatsuki Fujimoto. Why are you ruining his life? I hate you, Tatsuki Fujimoto. If only there was someone to stop you in all your wickedness.
Hey.
Did somebody call?
Huntrix?